This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up all your data on your Samsung phone for free for 30 days on your Samsung Cloud account. So we can just go to the top right and go to Settings, scroll on down to the bottom. Here's About Phone, click this, scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to Reset, click this, and right here we have the option for Temporary Cloud Backup. So you're going to only use this if you're going to be resetting your phone to factory default settings. Backup unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days or restore what you've backed up. So we can just click this. We can go to Update Backup. So maybe we have some more files we want to add here. So we can update. Now we only have 30 days to do this. So you're probably only going to use this for a day if you're factory resetting your phone. So you're going to upload everything to here, searching for data backup. So I already have some stuff backed up on here. And I think if I take more pictures, it should be able to update and stuff. And I have a slow phone, so it just keeps on spinning. I have the A16. But you're going to be able to back up everything on your phone. It says unlimited space. So you can really test that out to see if it is or not. But just make sure everything is backed up on here. I got my videos, my photos, images on the top right here. I don't have a whole lot of images and videos. It says it's only 18.6 megabytes. So I can just go to Update Backup, and then I'll go through this little process right here where it spins and it's updating everything. And then you gotta unlock this here. Okay, so that's my secure folder. So if you got anything in there, I guess. Not sure why it kicked me out, but we can just go back to the About Phone, down to Reset, and here's the backup right here. It looks like it's running. So when this is done, there should be an option. I can just stop it right now, I believe. I don't get anything on this phone I need to back up. There should be an option to retrieve your data right below it. So it looks like done. Okay, that's good. And we can go over here now, and then we can go to Restore Data. And then we can just restore everything. So we can just hit Restore Data. Now it's restoring it. So if you are going to be factory resetting your phone, make sure you do this. So I'm just going to stop it because it's taking too long. And the option to factory reset your phone, maybe you got a virus and it's just wiping out everything. And you're just done with it, you know? You can go to Factory Data Reset right here and just completely wipe everything off your phone. But if you got it backed up to the cloud for 30 days for free, I mean, go ahead and do it. Sign back in with all your accounts, your email addresses, and just wipe everything. But make sure everything is on the cloud first so you don't lose your information. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.